Hey guys, it's Dixon's back at it again. What video for? It's Hurricane Irma right now. And here's my brother who's always negative. And here's my cute dog. Ah, how dare you? Yeah, that was him. But guess who's stronger?
Ow!
See, he's 11, I'm 9, and I'm stronger. Huh.
Oh!
Don't cry. Don't cry. Hey, I'm going to tell you one of his secrets. Because I trust y'all. Because we got 1 subscribers. I'm kidding. I'm just trying to make a cringy video and I'm very bored, so I just decided to post today. I'm just going to look from there to see. Yeah. It's not a thank you video. Because it's cringy. Bark!
They got 3 views. Oh my god.
We did?
So much.
Or
Yeah.
what?
Hurricane Irma, September 10th.
Yeah, so I just want to make a quick video. What's like 2 minutes long, so I'm going to stop this in 30 seconds.
Hey, I'm like, hey, what poppin'?
Yeah, he's part of Little Girl. I'm part of Jake Wallace because we're a strong family out there. I dab. Get that out of your mouth.
I'm Irma.
Shadow. Quit.
My chance.
Shadow. Yeah, so.
I'm about to record, man. I'm about to record, man.
Bye, guys.
Man.
Dixon's out.
Man.
Tomorrow video 5 because we post
Hello, man.
every
What?
single day, bro.
Hey, I keep going. What's up? Hey, what's that? My first video. Hey, same price, same location.